If you're like me, you can never find enough storage in your Maverick X3. So today, our friends at KemiMoto sent us these 6 storage bags. We're gonna go ahead and put one on now before we head out on our ride. So since I have the aftermarket door handles, looks like this pad's gonna be in the way, but KemiMoto went ahead and thought of that, and you can just take that off. Looks like it's gonna fit great. Once I know where it goes, I find I gotta tighten them all up. I just didn't want them too tight at the beginning. Just one strap down here. Take my gloves off to get this one. So there they are, yeah, easy install, KemiMoto. Zippers, enough space in there for, I don't know, comparison. Here's a pair of gloves. Zippers on both sides. This is pretty cool, it turns into a drink holder. And it's a pad behind it, I guess. So yeah, KemiMoto X3 storage bags for the doors. Check them out, links in the description. Check out my other videos. They sent us these enclosures. I haven't got the bottom stuck to the door yet. They also sent us this full windshield. So make sure you check out all the other videos. Check out KemiMoto. Links in the description. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button. Check out these videos here and here.